We asked, they delivered. Figma Make has amazing new features that are probably everything we ever wanted. From moving our Figma Makes into Figma Design and using our own design systems now. I am impressed. So today we're talking about the 3 major updates that could make all our Figma Make dreams come true. We asked, they delivered. If you've been wondering, why can't I just take my Figma Make into my Figma Design file? Well, wonder no more. Because now you can use the copy design button at the top right of your Figma Make screen, copy your design, then open your Figma design file and paste it. And there you have it. You just moved your Figma Make into your Figma design. And what's great about this is that it looks like it even creates a well-structured named layers and even auto layers, which is something that could save you a lot of time. No other tool have ever tried to do this. Only Figma Make, so that's very impressive to me. This feature is already released, so you can try this now. I did check the auto layout though, and I think it's not perfect yet, but we'll get there. Now, there's another question we've been all asking ourselves. If I can't use my existing design system in Figma Make, then what's the point? Well, my dear designer, we haven't heard on this one as well, because they are finally bringing design systems into Figma Make with a feature called Make Kits. So when you have a design system, you can export your library into Figma Make, similar of how you would do it when you publish inside Figma Design. But what Figma is actually doing here is creating the code for that design system. Once you begin prompting in Figma Make, you'll be able to choose the library you want to use. Oh my god, thank you Figma Make. That is all we ever wanted. But it doesn't stop here. I was not expecting to see this feature here, which is the ability to add interactions into your design systems, or should I say, make kits. And this is just amazing. So let me explain this. Once in Figma Make, you can select a component, and in this case, this button here, and you can prompt things like change the cursor to a pointer on hover. And there you have it. You just created an interactable component. And what is amazing about this is that every time you use this component on Figma Make, it will maintain a consistent interaction. How awesome is that? I have no words. And just like a normal Figma library, you can just publish this interactable libraries so your team can use it too. And they're actually calling these libraries Make Kits. Imagine how much easier it would be to create a full prototype in Figma Make now. But it doesn't even stop there. No, not yet. You can even make components interactable with each other. How awesome is that? But disclaimer here, is still in development. It is not released yet, but you can sign up now to get early access later this year if you want to try it out. There's a chance you don't get selected, but that's fine. At least we tried. I'll link the form to get early access in the description below. And if you think that I'm done with the design system updates, no, I'm not. I'm sure a lot of us have been in the situation where you have a design system already coded, but it's not in your Figma file yet. If this is your situation, you don't need to recreate everything in Figma Make anymore because of this new feature called NPM packages, where you'll be able to import components from code directly into your Figma Make files. And this feature will be available next month on Pro plans with a full seat, so keep an eye on that. Now, the third Figma Make updates that could be really good for people who's working with big teams is Figma templates. These are like saved make files that you can share with your team, so you can use a copy of them and continue adding iterations or maybe other versions of your prototype, all within Figma Make. So you don't need to start a Figma Make file from scratch anymore. So we have Copy Design, which is moving your Figma Make files into Figma Design. We have Make Kits for interactable components for your design systems. And we have templates. Which of these new updates are you most excited about? And what else do you think is missing in Figma Make? Let me know in the comments. And if you're now more interested on Figma Make and how to use it effectively right now, watch this video next.